I would not expect there to be any criminal charges.
Attorney David Stiles says the nurse at Glenwood Gardens who refused to administer CPR to a resident did not break the law.
California doesn't impose a legal duty to actually help that person. However, there is immunity. There is a Good Samaritan law.
The Good Samaritan law is a standard under the Health and Safety Code that says if you, in good faith, render medical aid to someone who needs it, then you are protected from being sued if anything goes wrong.
There's no legal risk to her in helping the person because under the Good Samaritan law, she's helping in good faith and she would have been following the directions of the dispatcher.
But a nurse whom 23 ABC spoke to says that only applies to people without medical knowledge and people in the medical field who are off the clock. If you are in the medical field at work and your employer's policy does not allow you to perform certain duties, like in this case CPR, then the employer's policy trumps the Good Samaritan law. If the nurse were to perform CPR at that moment while at work, she would not be legally protected by her employer's insurance because she broke policy. And she would not be protected by the Good Samaritan law either because she was at work. Confused? Assemblyman Rudy Salas says he's looking into changing legislation to clarify these regulations.
You know, moving forward, I think people need to be educated and they need to be protected. So if we need to tweak state law, then we'll tweak state law. So that if a facility has its own policies, that we make sure that they don't supersede state law.